this section, we'll understand how to make use of print function in Python. As we have learned already in the previous video, we use the print function to print the output to the screen, and we enclose the object to be printed inside the parentheses of the print function. So, to illustrate the same, I'll create two variables like this. Car1 is equal to Mercedes, car2 is equal to Audi. So, I have created two variables as car1 and car2. Now, to print the values of both the cars, we will use the print function as like print car1, print car2. And when I execute this has printed the name of each car in a line each. So, to print the objects in a single line, or when we have to print more than one object, then we make use of a comma inside the parentheses. So, it will be like print car1, car2, and then I'll execute this. Yes, as you can see in the output, we have the names of a car in a single line. Got it? Yes. The print object is not just limited to variables. We can also pass in the values directly. So what I'll do is, I'll just write it like this. Print car1, 100, car2. And when I execute this, as you can see in the output, we have printed the value 100 in between the two car names. Okay? So this time what I'll do is, I'll just print the new value as Jaguar along with the two cars. So I'll write as print car1, 100, car2, Jaguar. Got it? Yes. Just a side note, we pass in the value of strings inside the single quotes or double quotes. Don't worry if you don't understand it here, because you will understand more about the strings in future lectures of this section. Okay? Now, one cool thing in Jupyter Notebook is the output will be displayed for a program or variable without explicitly being called from print function. Let me illustrate this with an example. So what I'll do is, I'll just call as car1 and execute the code. Yes, as you can see, we have the output as Mercedes. Now observe this. I'll call as car1, car2 in individual lines and execute the code. So we have the output as Audi. That means, if we don't call the print function, then only the last available variable will be displayed and not all the variables. Got the concept? Great. So guys, with this, we come to the end of this video on print function. In the next video, we are going to understand about the different data types in Python programming language.